When it comes to construction software, efficiency is the key to success. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the one that will truly streamline your workflow? In today's video, we'll be comparing Fieldwire versus BuilderStorm to see which construction software delivers better efficiency. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to recommend a better alternative that you might not have considered yet. First up, let's talk about Fieldwire. One of its standout features is its project management capabilities. With Fieldwire, you can create tasks, assign them, and track progress in real time. It's designed to help you stay organized, and the mobile app makes it easy for teams on the go. The platform also offers excellent document management, allowing you to store and share blueprints, photos, and other critical documents with ease. Next thing, we have BuilderStorm. BuilderStorm's focus is also on project management, but with a twist. It offers customizable reporting features, which is great for teams that need detailed insights into their projects. The software lets you track materials, labor, and subcontractors, giving you a comprehensive overview of your costs. It's also known for its ease of use, which makes it a solid option for smaller teams or those just starting with construction software. The third thing we should address is integrations. Fieldwire integrates with several other tools like Procore and Dropbox, making it easier to connect your existing systems. However, the downside is that its integrations are somewhat limited compared to some other software on the market. If you rely heavily on specific tools, Fieldwire may not give you the level of flexibility you need. On the other hand, BuilderStorm boasts a variety of integrations, especially for financial software. You can sync it with accounting platforms like QuickBooks, which can save you a ton of time during billing and reporting. But again, BuilderStorm's integrations aren't as expansive as Fieldwire's, and some users have found that syncing with certain systems can be a bit tricky. Next, let's talk about pricing. Fieldwire offers a free tier, which is great for small teams or projects, but once you start scaling, you'll need to opt for a paid plan, which can get pricey. The pricing model isn't as flexible as you might like, especially for teams that need advanced features but don't want to pay for a full suite of tools. BuilderStorm, on the other hand, has a more straightforward pricing structure. It's generally more affordable for teams that need basic project management features, but again, as your needs grow, the costs can pile up. The pricing here is more predictable, which can be a big plus for teams on a budget. Now, the user experience. Fieldwire's interface is clean and simple to use, but it can feel a bit clunky when handling larger projects with lots of moving parts. The learning curve is not steep, but you might find yourself fumbling around the first few times you use it. BuilderStorm's interface, however, is more intuitive for beginners. It's easy to navigate, and most users report a smooth onboarding process. That said, it might lack some of the advanced features that more experienced teams might look for. So, which construction software is more efficient? Both Fieldwire and BuilderStorm are solid options, but they come with their pros and cons. Fieldwire excels in task management and mobile app functionality, but it's limited in integrations. BuilderStorm is more affordable and easier to use, but it lacks some of the depth Fieldwire offers. But after trying all of them myself, if you're looking for something even more efficient, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. The software I've been using not only has better integrations and a more flexible pricing model, but it's also designed with the modern construction team in mind. It's a total game changer. If you want to try it out for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to my viewers. Trust me, you won't want to miss this.